India's architecture reflects thousands of years of history and cultural development. Different regions created unique styles influenced by religion, climate, rulers, and local traditions. Forts, palaces, temples, caves, and monuments show India's rich architectural diversity.
Ancient Indian architecture includes rock-cut caves, temples, and historic structures. Many buildings show advanced skills in design, engineering, and sculpture. Ancient architecture provides information about the lifestyles, beliefs, and artistic achievements of earlier civilizations.
Indian temples have different regional styles. North Indian temples often have tall towers called Shikharas, while South Indian temples have large gateways called Gopurams. Temple designs include detailed carvings that represent stories, traditions, and religious beliefs.
India has many historic forts and palaces built by different kingdoms. Rajasthan is famous for grand forts, while other regions have unique royal structures. These buildings show the power, culture, and artistic achievements of past rulers.
Islamic architecture in India introduced new designs including domes, arches, and detailed decorations. Many monuments combine local Indian styles with Islamic influences. These structures represent the cultural interactions that happened throughout Indian history.
Different climates and materials influenced architecture across India. Coastal areas, deserts, mountains, and forests developed different building styles. Local materials like stone, wood, and clay were used creatively according to regional needs.
Buildings often reflect the traditions and beliefs of communities. Architecture is connected with art, religion, history, and daily life. Many monuments are preserved because they represent important parts of India's cultural identity.
India's architecture is a symbol of unity and diversity. Every monument tells a story about the people, traditions, and history of its region. Protecting these structures helps future generations understand India's cultural heritage.